Welcome everyone. Today we are happy to introduce the latest 3D printer, the K1C. The K1C comes out with a series advanced feature, promising an elevating printing experience. Let's get deep into the details. Firstly, the K1C introduced a built-in camera, which is not included in the previous K1. This little guy helps you recognize the spaghetti value, spot foreign matters, and let you monitor your prints in real time. How about the time-lapse filming? Yep, we also got it covered too. Now let's move to the extruder part. We added a side spring and a ball puncher, which are also not included in the original K1 extruder. Both of them give extruding use and extra boost. The lever on the K1C extruder is made of powder metallurgy material, tough and unyielding, which is also an upgraded component compared to the K1. All these feature elements assist the extruder in firmly gripping the filament without any loosening. Now let's get into the nozzle. The K1C nozzle integrates the heat break, simplifying swap compared to the K1. Besides, with a titanium alloy heat break, hardened steel nozzle tips, and copper alloy main body, the all-metal design is ideal for printing carbon fiber materials. Now comes to the fans. The 3 fans on the K1C undergo a dynamic balancing upgrade, minimizing vibration and reducing ringing compared to K1. You can expect a superior print quality with these improvements. Now let's address a common 3D printing role. Leftover start on the nozzle cause poor printing quality. The K1C comes with a silicone nozzle brush, which is another new feature that K1 does not possess. With this wiper, the resident can be gentle clean for smooth printing journey. Another new addition to the K1C is the factory-activated carbon air filter, efficiently purifying compounds and particles, especially important for carbon fiber filaments. Alright, doors. The K1C has a slimmer door gap than the K1. Besides, we also add a door close damping to the door hinge on K1C. With it, the door closing speed can be slowed down and a brush collection can be prevented. Plus, the glass door has a shelter-proof feel for extra protection and safety. Moving down to the list, the jog chain. Strengthened and more robust than its brother, K1. The jog chain on the K1 eliminates issue of falling off and wears, ensuring a reliable performance. Now let's talk rubber feet. Integrated rubber feet minimize vibration during high-speed prints, offering stability. The K1C's 4 feet are securely attached to the machine. So the K1C, you don't need to worry about losing the rubber feet. We have got it covered. For those preferring a side spoon holder, the K1C provides a side spoon holder STL file on the included USB drive, allowing users to print easily and relocate the filament spoon. Firmware alert. The K1C also gets the latest firmware, just like its sibling K1 and K1 Max. Skip abnormal print objects without affecting the normal ones, saving you both type and filaments. Finally, let's end on a quiet note. The K1C introduced a slice mode. Need it fast? Crank up the speed. Want a peace and quiet in the room? Set it to less than 45 decibels. Your printing experience, your way.